be asking yourself, what is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. When the pressure builds up, eruptions occur. Gases and rocks shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Scientists have categorized volcanoes into 3 main categories: active, dormant, and extinct. An active volcano is one which has recently erupted, and there is a possibility that it may erupt again. A dormant volcano is one which has not erupted in a long time, but there is a possibility it can erupt again. An extinct volcano is one which has erupted thousands of years ago, and there is no possibility, or likely no possibility, of eruption. Volcanoes erupt because the Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called plates, which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates sometimes move. The friction causes earthquakes and volcanic eruptions near the edges of the plates. There are more than 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth. We currently know of 80 or more, which are under the oceans. Active volcanoes in the U.S. are found mainly in Hawaii, Alaska, California, Oregon, and Washington. Do you know the difference between lava and magma? Magma is liquid rock inside a volcano. Lava is liquid rock that flows out of a volcano. Fresh lava glows red hot to white hot. Let's talk volcano safety. Planning for a volcano is important. First of all, have a disaster plan and know whether or not you are at risk for danger. Be prepared. Prepare a disaster supply kit for your home and car. Most of the active volcanoes in the world are found on the western edge of the Ring of Fire. What is the Ring of Fire, you ask? Well, it's a stretch of almost 452 volcanoes that are found starting at the tip of South America and move up along the coast of North America, across the Bering Strait, then down through Japan, and then straight into New Zealand. The ring closes in Antarctica, where there are many active and dormant volcanoes. There are different types of volcanoes. Cinder cones are usually short with steep slopes and are formed by explosive eruptions. Shield volcanoes are wide and slightly flat. They are formed by successive flows of lava, usually over a long period of time. Stratovolcanoes can be tall and cone-shaped and are formed by a series of eruptions, some with lava and some with ash. Let's talk a little bit more about volcanoes that are closer to you. We'll talk about Alaska's volcanoes. Alaska is home to more than 40 active volcanoes, or 80% of the United States' active volcanoes. Many of them occur along the Alaska Peninsula and Aleutian Islands. They are part of what is called the Ring of Fire. I bet when you have been out on adventures with your parents, you have seen many volcanoes around Alaska. And maybe you didn't even know they were volcanoes. Next time you're out, ask your parents if there are any volcanoes nearby. Volcanoes have played an important role in shaping our Earth. Ash from volcanoes adds healthful minerals to the soil. This helps keep your plants healthy and strong. Healthy plants produce oxygen for humans and animals to breathe. While we certainly have some big volcanoes here on Earth, the biggest known volcano is actually on Mars. Its name is Olympus Mons, and it measures a whopping 17 miles high. Here's an interesting fact. Although a lot of volcanoes are on land where we can see them, there are also volcanoes found on the ocean floor and even under ice caps, such as those found in Iceland. Lava that erupts underwater is called pillow lava because it forms shapes like pillows. They wouldn't be very comfy to sleep on though. And now we are going to learn how to make a lava lamp.
Hi Jack, hi Knox, it's your Aunt Toonie, and today, as you know, we are learning about volcanoes. So for our fun experiment today, I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. And then if you want later on to go back through this video with your parents, you can make it with them as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a vase of water. And you can use any sort of container that you want. If you want to preserve this for later on, maybe you want to put something with a top on it. So we want to put in some water. Then what we're going to do is add some vegetable oil. Just about to the top. And if you can see here, we have the water at the bottom and the oil on top. So the water, we're going to pretend, is our magma, sitting below the Earth's surface. Here's the crust of the surface. Up here is the Earth, world, you and me walking around. What we're going to do next is we're going to pick out one of these super awesome neon food colorings. I think we should go blue. You can pick out whatever you want. We're going to drop in a few drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I'm going to watch those drop down to the bottom. Okay, now here comes the fun part. When the Alka-Seltzer tablet gas mixes with the magma, it starts to rise to the surface. Here we go. Woo! And if you want to get a little bit crazier, you can add another color too. There you have it. You've made your own lava lamp. I hope you had fun with this. Enjoy making one.
The end.